In the magical land of toys, where adventures bloomed like colourful flowers, lived Excavaroo, the toy excavator. When parents were away, Excavaroo woke up, bringing a burst of excitement to the playroom. Only children could see and hear them, and every morning, parents off, Excavaroo set up a lively playground. One bright morning, Excavaroo stumbled upon a hidden box filled with toy dinosaurs of every colour: red, blue, green, and yellow. The vibrant toys sparked an idea. "Wake up, my friends! It's time for a Dino Dig Dizzy Derby," Excavaroo exclaimed. As the dinosaurs came to life, Excavaroo marvelled at their beautiful hues. "Let's make our dino race colourful too," it said. Paint pots appeared, and soon each dinosaur shone with a brilliant colour. "Red Dino, Blue Dino, start the race!" Excavaroo cheered, turning the Dino Derby into a playful lesson in colours. The challenge: organise a dino race without getting too dizzy from the spinning Spinosauruses. Excavaroo, the leader of the derby, showed the toys how to count. 1, 2, 3, go! Turning the adventure into an exciting lesson in numbers. As the dinosaurs raced around, the playroom transformed into a prehistoric wonderland. The toys giggled and cheered, discovering a magical world hidden in their own space. Just when they thought the adventure was complete, a twist unfolded. The Spinosauruses, notorious for their dizzying twirls, sped up unexpectedly. Excavaroo, quick to think, turned the twist into a challenge. "Navigate the dino obstacles, my friends!" it shouted, turning the unexpected turn of events into an educational journey. The toys, working together, helped the dinosaurs dodge obstacles and reach the finish line. "Left, right, straight ahead," Excavaroo guided, turning the Dino Derby into a collaborative effort of problem-solving. As the race concluded, the toy dinosaurs celebrated with joyful roars and dino dances. The toy parents returned, and the magical adventure came to an end. Yet, the memories lingered, turning a regular morning into an extraordinary Dino Dig Dizzy Derby, filled with colours, numbers, and the magic of toys coming to life. Once upon a time, in the land of toys, there was Excavaroo, the toy excavator. When parents went off on their adventures, Excavaroo woke up and turned the playroom into a lively wonderland. Only the children could see and hear the animated toy, and every morning, when parents were away, Excavaroo gathered all the other toys for an exciting playground setup. One bright morning, as the toy parents set off, Excavaroo had a new idea. "To the bathtub, my friends!" it shouted, and with a sprinkle of magic, the playroom transformed into an ocean of floating sponges: red, blue, green, and yellow. "Sponge Sailing Regatta, ahoy!" Excavaroo exclaimed. The challenge was to organise a sailing race using sponge boats. Each sponge, a different colour, turned the bathtub adventure into a vibrant lesson in colours. "Red sponge, blue sponge, set sail!" Excavaroo led the way, making the sailing regatta a fun journey and an exciting lesson in numbers. 1 sail, 2 sails, 3 sails, go! It counted, guiding the sponge boats through the bubbly waves. As the regatta sailed on, a catchy twist unfolded. Whirlpools and sudden tidal waves appeared, turning the calm bathtub into a challenging sea. Excavaroo, quick to adapt, turned the twist into a game. "Avoid the whirlpools, my friends," it cheered, making the turbulent sea an educational experience in problem-solving. The sponge boats, sailing and splashing, navigated through the playful challenges, turning the sailing regatta into a collaborative effort of learning and laughter. Left, right, Straight ahead, Excavaroo guided, turning the oceanic adventure into an engaging lesson in directions. Just when the toy sailors thought the adventure was over, a surprise awaited. A giant floating island made of colourful sponges appeared. Excavaroo, instead of hesitating, turned it into a grand finale. "Reach the Sponge Island, my friends!" it exclaimed, making the final stretch a thrilling challenge. The sponge boats, paddling and splashing, reached the Sponge Island, bringing the regatta to a joyful end. The toy parents returned, and the oceanic adventure became a treasured memory of a sponge sailing regatta, filled with colours, numbers, and the magic of toys sailing the high seas in the bathtub.